Oh, I like that one. That's air horn. Air horn. It's good. All right. Ratios and proportions. Rate of change. What's the idea of a change? What's change mean to you? It's something it's become different. The idea of change is the idea of a difference. That if it's not different, there's no change. So change is how something becomes different. And in math, we like to call this the difference. And if you want to get really fancy, it's also called delta sometimes. Delta, the change. Delta. So I had $5. Now I have $13. So how did it change? What happened? The change here is, what's that? A change of $8? That's the change. The change is $8. That's the idea of change, or the difference. What's the difference between those two numbers? It's a subtraction problem, isn't it? So let's look at some tables. We're going to read some data off of a table and figure out what's going on with this. Let me get you a little bit better view. There we go. At Hillsborough Consulting, the head of human resources examined how the number of employees with health care benefits varied. Varied, kind of a nice word for change, in response to the policy changes. So, actually the problem's down here. According to the table, what was the rate of change between 2007 and 2008? 2007, 2008, from here to here, what happened? We had 4, now we have 9. What's the change? The change is 5. 5 employees per year. That's the idea of change. Each year, the campers at Graham's summer camp try to set that summer's record for finishing the obstacle course as quickly as possible. According to the graph, what was the rate of change between 1997 and 1998? Well, 1997 is right here, and that's at 22. So it was at 22, and then it went up to 29. 22 to 29, what happened there? Well, that's a change of 7 minutes per year. It went up by 7 minutes per year. They got slower, didn't they? Be right back. Gotta get another problem here. There's the change. Here's another one. Worried about going over his storage limit, Esteban monitored the number of undeleted voicemail messages stored on his phone each day. According to the table, what was the rate of change between Monday and Wednesday? Now this one's different because it's going over a couple days. It's going from Monday to Wednesday. So let's look at Monday. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So it'd be easy to find one change, these changes, but we're looking at changes over multiple days. So what we need to look at is from here to here, What's the change? From 16 to 22, I have a change of 6. But that's the change over 2 days, right? That's actually 2 changes. That's a change and a change. So we're going to divide this by 2 and get a 3 because there were 2 changes here. And this is going to give us our daily change of 3. So this is the total change divided by the number of changes. And that gives us 3. 3 voicemail messages per day. So it went down, he was going up by 3 per day on average, right? This isn't, he didn't really go up by 3 each day, but from there to there, it looked like he went up by 3. A restaurant's average food preparation time was tracked from day to day as part of an efficiency improvement program. According to the graph, what was the rate of change between Wednesday and Saturday? Okay, well here's Wednesday. They're at 22. And Saturday's over here at 16. So 22 to 16, that was a drop of 6. Right, from 22 to 16 was a drop of 6. But how many changes is that? That's over 1, 2, 3 changes. So that's as if it was just going down by 2 each time. So 2 minutes per day. All right? Sound effect, sound effect. Tornado siren. Tornado siren? Wow. Oh no! Stop, drop, and roll. Duck and cover, something. That's it, bye.